Hi everyone, you're on Cryptomania channel, and in this video I will tell you how to set up a Metamask wallet to work in the Binance Smart Chain network. First of all, we need to install Metamask. I did it already. Click on Metamask. Click here, Ethereum mainnet. Here we have different test networks and we need to choose custom RPC. And now we need to fill out this data for Binance Smart Chain. I have this data in this article and I will leave a link in the description of this video. You go down and here we have data. And let's copy and paste all this data. Name, RPC URL, chain ID 56 and block explorer and BNB. Here we need to do this and this. And save. That's it. We are connected to a Binance Smart Chain. And here we can choose between networks, Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Please note that the address in the Ethereum network and in the Binance Smart Chain network is the same. Here, look, and here. Same address, which is very convenient. Also, it's important to remember that we need a bit of BNB in our wallet to work in with this network, because in Binance Smart Chain, BNB is used to pay fees as a gas, just like Ether in Ethereum network. Otherwise, Metamask wallet works the same like in Ethereum network, besides giant fees, because in Binance Smart Chain the fees are very small. And if you will compare with the fees in Ethereum network, you can tell that you barely have one. Video about how to send and how to add tokens to Metamask I have done before. The link will be in the description. That's all for now. Put your like if this video was useful for you. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.